Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Can you click now go to Journey Builder? Lastly, click on Journey Builder. Should we create a new one? Can you open a whole journey? We want to do some basic part to the cover up. There will be go for another 1 minute SMC. Can you do the latest plaster? Which a journey we have done. Is it possible? Can you last modified? Click on it. And it lasted. Three new journey March 7 9/15. No March 7 no it is not ours. Go to 5 fifth journey version to have. Yes, click it here. Yes, it's clicked. It is the last day we have done. Very good. Here we want to learn some additional things today. It is a journey builder. Afflictions is working. But now we want to go to first click now. I am taking the control of you. You can approve my call. You can do it. Here, three things is here. One is this is journey analytics. One is journey history. Journey history. Click here. Journey history. Optimization. One thing is called goal settings. First, let me discuss about the goal settings. There is a goal settings. What is the concept? That is the on section. First, we want to discuss about the goal settings. There is a concept is called goal settings. Here, you will notice that if you click here, you will be noticed two things. One is a total population, one is a goal attainment. I want to discuss about the what is a goal. Suppose you are doing a campaign. Suppose you are doing a campaign but expecting if it is a 75% all of your customers already go through this path, then your goal is completed like payment. You are going to payment status. You are doing a campaign and who are the status? There is a customer. Think about the customer. Customer, there may be a payment status, completed payment status. Maybe payment status may be computed, payment status may be in progress. And in there it may be in progress. It may be computed and you want to set a criteria about the goal setting based upon the payment status. If you know, suppose here in these detection, there is a 6 data is there. If we set a criteria here and for goal settings, if we set a criteria on goal settings, there is a, let me create a new version. Let me create a new version. New version. We have created a new version here. Data access, everything is the same. Now we want to set a heritage goal. We just notice here. Let us get going. Apply a filter or contact data at Google using Marketing Cloud data to define who has made the goal. In between, we can do some changes. Goal setting. Goal setting contact data. It has a, which is the text we have used. Training. Trainings.